Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix grammar issues with perplexity. So just tab on my Google Chrome and officially logged in my perplexity.ai and how to fix my grammar on it. So here you will see the search bar is ask anything on perplexity. So what do you want to know? So I will correct my grammar. So I will just put a question on it. So I will just write my please correct the grammar in this text. There is three books in the box. So I will just go for the search and let's see how the perplexity correct my answer. So my question, you will see the please correct the grammar in this text. There is three books in the box. So answer will be the corrected sentence is there are three books in the box. So it's very genius perplexity.ai that it will correct your incorrect answers. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.